Hey everybody, Brian with TNT Over 50 coming at you with how to boost your immune system. One thing I did a few months ago, I always get a blood panel done to check my triglycerides and cholesterol and all this stuff. Your A1C, that'll tell you how much sugar's been in your blood for, the last few months. And it's just like a diabetic blood panel just to make sure everything is healthy. The only thing that I changed was the type of eggs that I ate, the type of cheese, and the type of noodles, and also the type of butter and meat. Basically, it comes from grass-fed cows. I did my blood test 3 months later, only replacing these foods, and I could not believe the results. It was pretty incredible. Triglycerides dropped way down, cholesterol dropped way down, my A1C way down. It just completely flip-flopped all the numbers. So if you're looking to get really healthy, boost your immune system, here you go. Pasture raised eggs. What happens here, I'm going to show you. When a chicken's a carnivore. You can look on a package and it'll say vegetarian fed. You start feeding animals the wrong food that's not natural to their diet, their product, the eggs, the meat, the this, and you go to eat it, it's going to be completely messed up in your body, because with the regular stuff, the omega-6 fatty acids are a lot higher in all the stuff that is non-grass fed. And what that does, it causes inflammation in your body. Not inflammation as far as like, edema, water weight, and all this stuff. Inflammation at a cellular level. The type of inflammation that if you were to continue doing it for several years, that's what causes high blood pressure. That's what causes heart disease. It's this inflammation that you don't even know you got going on in your body. But like I said, I did the test, I did my blood test, and I know this stuff works because it's the only thing that I did. But check out these eggs. Here is a regular egg, like $1.99 for 12 of them or whatever. I'm just going to show you the difference. Okay, see that? It's kind of yellow. Now check this one out. The one where the chicken can go out in the pasture and eat worms and lizards and all this stuff and is not vegetarian fed. Now look at the difference. That's like pretty incredible. The dark orange is the really good fatty acids, and if you were to eat this one, guess what? You're going to be clogging up cholesterol, all this stuff. This one, it's a completely different story. And like I said, you can even, when you're cooking the eggs, the texture's even different. The taste is even different. You want to change out as much as you can. Like this is just a grass-fed butter. It comes from cows that is not cooped up, that's not being pumped with wheat and all this stuff, that they can go out and graze and eat their regular stuff. But replace your butter, replace your eggs, and even cheese. And like I said, you will be just floored at the changeover of your health from just swapping these few things out. Grass-fed beef. I mean, you can do, in the beginning, I didn't really change out my beef too much. I love steaks and this and that, and some of the grass-fed stuff, the cuts didn't look very good. But the main thing that I switched out was the cheese, the eggs, and I take in about probably 50 grams of this of fat from this butter a day. I put this in my coffee. I do all kinds of stuff. I mean, you will be so surprised at how healthy this stuff is for you. That, if I was to tell the doctor that what I'm doing, they'd be like, "Oh my God, you're taking all this fat." It's the good fats that you need to put in your body, and say like the margarine and stuff like that, the really stuff that's very processed. You can taste the difference. I mean, it's so much gross compared to this. It's just uncomparable. But another thing, swap out the old noodles. Because again, what you're doing, you're trying to keep inflammation out of your body from a cellular level. So this gluten-free, I mean, for years I was like, gluten-free, blah, 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 blah. Never tried it. The only thing with gluten-free, and I usually don't like saying it because as soon as you say gluten-free, people are like, oh, Mr. Gluten. All it is just minus wheat. These noodles, they're made with, where did it show it? They're made with corn and rice. Oh, somewhere. But it's made with corn and rice. You can get them made with all kinds of different things. I've tried them all, and the noodles that are made with corn and rice, they taste the best, and they, again, you could eat this compared to eating regular wheat noodles. Your stomach don't get bloated. I mean, it's a big, big difference that you can actually tell. But if you change all this out, do a blood panel. Do one right when you start and one when you end, and you will be freaked out because of just how healthy this is. And all you're doing is just swapping a few things on the menu, So until next time, folks, hit that bell button if you like what you see and get notified every time that I do a video. So till next time, see ya.